Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and foolproof way to delete all contacts and accounts from your HubSpot CRM. If your CRM is cluttered or you just want a fresh start, this guide will make the process smooth and error-free. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly how to clean up your HubSpot CRM safely. First, let's talk about why you might want to delete contacts and accounts. Over time, CRMS can get messy with outdated, duplicate, or irrelevant data. Removing unnecessary contacts helps you stay organized, improve reporting accuracy, and streamline your marketing and sales processes. Now, let's jump into HubSpot. Log into HubSpot. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. You'll need the right permissions to delete contacts or accounts. Make sure you have admin access or the delete options might not appear. Access the Contacts or Companies section. Navigate to the Contacts tab to delete individual contacts or the Companies tab for accounts. You can see your entire list here. Select Multiple Records. HubSpot allows you to delete multiple contacts or companies at once. Use the checkboxes to select the records you want to remove. If your goal is to delete everything, select the top checkbox to select all visible items. Bulk Actions menu. After selecting Records, click on the More or Actions dropdown, then choose Delete. HubSpot will ask you to confirm the deletion. This is your final checkpoint. Once deleted, the records cannot be recovered, so make sure you've backed up any important data first. Deleting in bulk beyond the visible page. If you have more contacts than the visible page shows, HubSpot gives the option to select all records in the view. Look for the Select All X Contacts/Companies option to ensure nothing is left behind. Confirm and complete. Click Delete. Confirm in the pop-up, and HubSpot will remove all selected contacts or accounts from your CRM. Depending on your data size, this may take a few moments. Always double-check before deleting. HubSpot does not provide an easy way to restore large deletions, so exporting your contacts or accounts before deleting can save you headaches later. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your HubSpot CRM and created a fresh, organized workspace. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more CRM tips, and drop a comment if you want me to cover more HubSpot hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.